The Blazer EV is inspired by the passion that Chevrolet has for driving and for motorsports. This vehicle was styled in the wind tunnel to make the most of aerodynamics, to get the ultimate range from the EV powertrain.
As an exterior designer, my job was to make this thing look as fast as it is. We wanted this to look low, wide, and well planted on the ground. So it really looks like it can tear up the track, very grounded, it's fast. It does have great stability. It really takes us back to our history of performance vehicles, but is now reinterpreted for this EV. Lighting was always a central element of the design. We wanted to make it beautiful from every angle, and lighting plays a big role on that. So I think the lighting animations really make you feel like the vehicle is alive. So I think everybody can appreciate something with that high grade of technology looking like a live animal ready to eat the roads up.
Many EVs are inspired by technology, and the Blazer EV certainly falls into that category.
This charge port design was there since the beginning of this vehicle story. And we're really proud of how we brought that to the customer, since it's gonna be a part of the vehicle that you're gonna use it every day.
The charge port door on the Blazer EV is integrated just behind the front wheel. It's put in an optimal place regardless of where your charger is positioned. The design for the exterior of the Blazer EV is very bold and energetic, and that's something that we wanted to communicate because there's a great deal of performance that's included in the EV technology, and we wanted the car to look like it has the performance that it does.
When we set out to design the interior, we really wanted to create something that would stand out in the segment. Chevrolet has a very rich performance history, and it's something we really wanted to key into as we started setting up and laying out this interior. With the move to the Ultium architecture, it really allowed us to keep things lower, leaner, and wider. Looking at the exterior, you can see a really planted stance, and a lot of that width and proportion we really had the chance to take advantage of as we moved into the interior.
The Blazer EV has 4 trim levels and 3 distinct personalities. Each one has a sporty character, but each one builds on the other.
So between LT all the way up to SS, you're able to create really distinct palettes. So you can walk up from a very understated and sophisticated dark colorway in the LT space, all the way up to a highly bold and expressive red palette as you move into RS and SS.
The flat-bottom steering wheel in the Blazer EV has a sporty characteristic. It allows the occupant easier access when getting in and out of the vehicle.
Where this interior really shines is the configuration of our screen layout and how user-friendly that's going to feel to occupants as they get into this interior. We've got a 17.7-inch diagonal display. We're able to angle the center display a little bit closer to the driver, which we think really heightens the driver-oriented flavor of this interior. We wanted to increase that digital real estate, but in a way that felt purposeful and still felt quite light and airy. The way we were able to execute the round vents in this EV context, we felt really elevated that feature. And it's something that really celebrates our performance heritage. We definitely wanted to offer a functional space, so spaciousness was very key. We were able to offer a really flexible cargo solutions. Being able to fold and split the seats in the back gives the occupant an opportunity to tailor the space for their functional needs. And then, of course, the benefits we received from shifting to the Ultium platform allowed us to really push the couple distance between the front and rear seat occupants. Between the spaciousness and the expressive surfacing, we really achieved something special.